Hey guys, this is me Sebastian back with another review video. Today I'm going to be reviewing some wait, wrong video. Okay, today we're going to be reviewing these new World Cup cups at McDonald's. We got 3. The 2 I want are, what's the guy?
David Beckham.
And Grimace. There's 9. It's crazy. They made some like popular, but not like Ronaldo or Messi. They should be like Mbappe, Ronaldo, Messi, Vinny Jr. Them, not other people. Open this one first. Okay, I'll try to do it softly, Robert, so you can keep these. Oh, Grimace, really bad. If I get 3 duplicates, I'm gonna
Hey, gentle now, gentle now.
We got the Reeves. At least we got one. Okay, soon these are gonna be worth so much. So it doesn't say 2026, but we all know. Okay, next one. Oh, when we're done, this might be a short video, so I might review this.
No.
Why?
Because this is a World Cup video.
Okay. A different video maybe. Maybe. My dog is like mad or something. Please say we got Grimace. Please say we got Grimace. Please say we got Grimace. Ronaldinho. I do not know how to pronounce that. Okay. We have to get Grimace or whatever his name was. I keep forgetting.
David Beckham.
Okay, that's what it was.
One in 9 chance. Or 2 in 9 chance.
I got a duplicate. Dang. You can have this one. We'll share them. The new World Cup trophy. Can you just wait a minute, Sky? Sky, can you just wait a minute, okay? Okay. I just want to show this off. $230 to build this. 13 bags. This car roller coaster. Pretty cool.
Alright, peace, guys, peace.
Here's the inside.
Oh my god. I guess it's a Lego review, guys.
Inside, porta potty door opens to in here. DJ move like that. And pull it for the diamond to go down. Okay. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe. Please, we're so close to 1,000. What number are we at? Like
727, probably.
No, we're at 730.
Okay.
We're almost there. At least get to 800 or 900. Or maybe 100,000 so we can get like a plaque. I feel like Mickey Mouse with the plague. I feel like Mickey Mouse did just ate rat poison. Oh. The next video might be Fortnite related. Stay tuned. For Minecraft, Roblox, maybe World Cup, Lego, maybe even Fortnite again. We had a Fortnite era in our YouTube shorts. They did pretty good. Oh, and DJ, guy. How dare you, I'm so sorry. This guy, I gave him a wrench to look like he's fixing the speaker. And then the baller thing, party trooper. And over there, the sweat skin, I forgot her name. She's
Aura.
Aura. And that weird girl battle pass skin, Evie. Or Evie, whatever, I don't know. Stay tuned for more. Oh, and then the DJ skin, DJ Llama.
DJ Yonder.
And Cuddle Team. Cuddle Team, because like, why wouldn't she be at a roller coaster? Subscribe and comment if you've been in this chapter or slash season. I have. It was pretty fun. Not as good as chapter 2 or chapter 1. Yeah, I played those. They were really fun. My favorite season was chapter 2, season 4. The Marvel season. It was fire. I got every skin. My brother Max. Okay, the camera guy, whatever you want to call it, butt cheek fan. He is normal to rainbow. Every single Marvel skin. Like Mystique, Iron Man, Doctor Doom, Thor, all the Wolverine, all of those people. Mystique, I think I said that. Storm, I think I said that.